I don't know what this is. Oh, that's old monitor. Otis? Oh, it's one of these. I don't know where Ethan is. It's a funny camera placement. Is that the floor passenger? Goofy. It's Epco. Alright, motor. I bet Ethan called it. Up, down?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
First floor.
There you go. Have you seen this? Look. This is what the Plainview Library was.
Except without that.
Oh no, it didn't have that.
Or that.
Unless the fire service covered it up. Oh no, Otis label.
What the?
I'll check something. Nope. It's a monitor call station. It says a pretty good motor, so listen to it. Floor pass is kind of funny. What about up here? Nope. Those are new lanterns, I guess. M. Apparently these are just GAL buttons. Like GAL contacts on them. Does have a phone. Doesn't really have a lot of plastic thing. There's your call station. Oh, the wood. Oh, the rounded wood framing is actually really nice too. Yeah, the stuff on the exterior is not original. Alright, that's it.